Alright guys, I finally got my hands on this LED smart backpack that's been going viral in the motorcycle scene. They say it lights up, looks cool, and might actually be useful. But let's see what's inside, and if it's worth it. Here's the packaging. Pretty basic, nothing fancy. Let me open this up real quick. Okay, so the first thing I notice is... wow, the material feels surprisingly premium. It's got a hard shell kind of finish. Definitely feels like it could handle the road. Design-wise, it's sleek. Matte black, sharp angles, and of course, the LED panel in the front. There's a USB port on the inside to connect a power bank and run the LED display. Now, for the fun part. Let's plug in a power bank and turn on the LED screen. Boom, there it is. Lights up instantly. You can change the animation with your phone using the app. Super easy. You can program it to show emojis, animations, or even text using the app. I could definitely see this being useful for night visibility or just showing off a bit. Let's talk practicality. Can it actually hold a motorcycle helmet? Let's test it. I've got my full-size GSXR 600 helmet here. Let's try to fit it. Okay, it's tight, but yes, it just about fits. Wouldn't recommend stuffing much else in there after, but it works. The link is in the description to buy this bag overall. For the price, it's a cool backpack, especially if you ride at night or just want to stand out. Let me know in the comments, would you ride with this? Or is it too flashy? And if you want to see me use this on the road while riding, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That test is coming next.